Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Amanda and today I'm going to be showing you how I attach keychains to my amigurumi. Specifically, I'm going to be showing you how I bend a paperclip into this metal ring, which is the insert which comes through the top of your amigurumi work so you can attach a keychain. For materials for this tutorial, all we need is a standard metal paperclip which does not have a plastic coating, one regular keychain. To help with bending the wires, I use two jewelry pliers. This here is a longer tip needle. It's round, as you can see, all the way down, and it narrows out towards the end, and this is a standard set of flat pliers. If you don't have jewelry pliers, which many people probably don't, you can probably use something small like this darning needle to wrap the wire around, as I'll show you in the tutorial. Let's begin! So the first thing we're going to do is take our paperclip and open it up. We want to be very careful here not to break the paperclip, and we want to get it as flat as possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Don't stress too much if there's bends and kinks. This is going inside of your crochet piece, so it won't be seen except for the tiny little part that will stick through the center, which I will show you, which will be the first thing we create. Here we have the paperclip opened up. As you can see, it's not perfect, but this is all we need. What we're going to do next is pinch the paperclip right in the middle with our long rounded pliers. If you don't have these pliers, this is where you're going to use a darning needle so you can wrap the wire around the needle. What we're going to do is push these two wires down, and then we're going to cross them, so the bottom one's going up and the top one's going down, crossing like so. Now that we've done this initial twist, we're going to continue on by twisting these two around and around several times until we have about ½ centimeter. Think about there is good. This top part here is what's going to stick through your work, and this is where you'll attach your keychain. At the end, we can pinch the sides to make it narrower if it's too wide to fit through your magic circle. From here, what we're going to do is bend this strip into a circle. So to do this, I'm going to be taking my flat pliers. I'm going to pinch right on that little twist we made, and I'm going to start bending my wire into a circle. We're just going to get a loose, rough shape at first. Bend, bend, bend. Just a loose, rough shape. It's relatively flat to begin already. Depending on what you're attaching this into, you might want to make this a little bit smaller so it's sturdy. I am going to finish it up and make it a little bit tighter, but for now I'm just going to do the other side so we can kind of match it. I'm going to just start at the end and do little twists. And all I'm doing is pinching down and then twisting my pliers to create these little kinks. So as you can see, this one here went a little bit farther up, so we're going to have to do some bending down to try and keep that a little more flush. Now for this side, as you can see, the first side we did is a little more opened up, so I can see that here needs to be bent a little bit more. I think we'll do another little bend here. Now that we've bent it up pretty good, we just want to take a look from the side. It's relatively flat, so I'm pretty happy with this. The only thing I do notice is right here, this ring is a little bit too wide. So I'm going to take my flat pliers and bend it in just ever so slightly to make it a little more narrow. Like so. The reason for this is this part here needs to go through the magic circle, like I mentioned before. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I would attach a keychain to this ring. So after we've created this, for demonstration purposes, I've crocheted a circle here. As you can see, there's a magic circle in the beginning. This is also the start of my jellyfish keychain pattern, which I have released for free. I'll leave a link for that down below. What we're going to be doing is inserting this piece that we just created from the inside, going out, and it's going to come through the center of the magic circle. So to do that, we're going to flip this magic circle over to the underside. As you can see, the center of the magic circle there. All we're going to do is take this piece that we made and push it through the center of that magic circle so it sticks out here. And then what I would do next is attach a keychain to this loop right here. To attach the keychain, what you would do is use your jewelry pliers and open up the final chain link of your keychain. With the final chain link open, you would then slip it through this loop at the top here and then pinch the chain shut again to make sure that the keychain is attached to your work. The end result of the keychain should look like so. As you can see here, this is the paperclip coming through the top of my amigurumi work. And then the keychain has been attached to that paperclip to make it look seamless and to also make sure that this is really strong. I don't particularly like attaching keychains with just yarn because I feel like over time it will wear through and the keychain may fall off. In my opinion, creating this paperclip attachment is very easy and affordable. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. We'll see you in the next one.